Ever seen fire at zero gravity? It's beautiful. It's like liquid. Slides all over everything. Comes up in waves. And they just keep hitting it. Wave after wave. Wave after wave. You ever seen fire at zero gravity?